and welcome to another Lego City Polybag review with Froggy P. And this is the fire car, I guess you could call it. It does not have a certain name to it. It is ages 5 through 12, 36 pieces, in a set 30221. And this retails for around $4, and it's not much to it. You can see it does not have the Legoland tickets in there. So let's open it. We got in here okay, so no separate bags. Just a little it looks like a little teeny tiny little instructions. Get those out. And proves that there are 8 steps of building, and there are your other fires that you've got in Lego City. Proves that there's quite a lot of not want to be living in Lego City at this time. Okay, so this looks like a cool set. Let's build it. Okay, here's our completed set. Now let's look at the minifigure. Okay, here is our minifigure, and this is our fireman. He's got the nice leg printing and torso printing on him. He's got the red helmet, and he's got the smiley face with the beard there, and he does have the back printing there. So that's our minifigure there. Now here is the actual set. There's not much to it. Oops, there's not much to it. As you can see there, this piece fell off, and I did not realize it. There's a little area to sit your minifigure and drive away, but there's not much to it. Like I said, it comes with the wheels there, and then the back has the black axe and the fire extinguisher. It has the dark blue transparent slopes to give it the appearance of light. And it's just a nice little thing you can roll around, give to someone as a nice little gift or a thank you or whatever. So there's not much to it. These are your extra pieces. You do get an extra on the slopes, 1x2 grid, and then another one of these pieces. So that concludes this review. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out all my other videos, reviews, and interviews. And I'll see you next time with Froggy P.